Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to my second video on the channel, and today we're going to be doing a cool experiment. We are going to be testing two different, easy to find masking products for when you want to layer your electroplating on some of your more complex projects. Let's go! Okay, I have here three prints we're going to be using. Each of them already has a solid base layer of copper applied. I want to apply the next layer of plating onto only specific parts of my print though. So what are our options? Well, one option is to use a galvanic brush to plate delicate parts. But I wanted to try some techniques that will allow me to use my bath setup while hopefully still achieving some decent results. There are different commercial masking lacquers you can buy, but there are also more common home items that you can use. So let's dive into how you can achieve awesome layered plates using two different home products. The first, watercolor masking fluid, and the second, nail polish. The standard is for sure commercial liquid masking products that you can spray or brush on. They offer flexibility, especially for intricate designs, and most of them peel off easily once you're done. They are also acid resistant, and most of them are tailored for specific use cases. They can be a little pricey though, so there are two alternatives that we're going to be trying today that are common in most households. Watercolor masking fluid, for anyone that does any painting, and nail polish. Both are inexpensive and easy to find. For the test today, I'm going to apply 2 layers of the clear nail polish to this first print, 4 layers of the clear nail polish to the second print, and 4 layers of watercolor masking fluid to the third and final print. So let's start. Sweet, these are all ready to go. One side of each print's been masked, and we're ready to see how they handled the degreaser, Surface-Activator, and the bright nickel solution. I'm going to start by degreasing each print for around 30 seconds. This acts as a final clean and helps turn your parts hydrophilic. The surface activator acts as an acid dip that also deposits a fine layer of nickel onto the part's surface. This helps promote better adhesion for your diffusion barrier. I'm going to give each part a quick dip, no more than 15 seconds. Let's go. Moving on to the final step in our experiment, let's dip these prints into the bright nickel solution and see how our DIY masking products do. Now, here comes the results. After testing the two products, they both worked at preventing the nickel from adhering, but the nail polish was the clear winner for me. The watercolor masking fluid left the copper tarnished and starting to patina by the time I had removed it. This was not the end result that I was looking for. The nail polish, on the other hand, it not only provided an incredible barrier against unwanted plating, but it also ensures that the layered metal remains vibrant and colorful. This easy to find home product is a game changer that will elevate your electroplating projects with some easy application. In summary, I think using a masking product is crucial for achieving vibrant and precise layered plating results, especially if you're attempting to use a bath setup. So when choosing for your own projects, just remember, the commercial stuff is great, but you can achieve awesome results with common items also. The nail polish worked perfectly, and I'm super excited to use it in my next project, the Guardian Shield from God of War. Hopefully this video gave you all some ideas on how to create stunning finishes that you'll be proud to show off also. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the content or found it helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up on the video. It helps me a ton when building a new channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment, share your feedback or your experiences. I always welcome conversation and I enjoy learning about what others are up to in the space. Thanks for watching guys, till next time.